Today we're going to be talking about Shopify. We're going to be looking at a review on Shopify. Now, I've been asked this question about e-commerce, about how to do e-commerce online. Maybe you have your own product, or you don't have your product at all. You just want to do drop shipping. You want to sell product online, and you don't want to keep inventory. Now, Shopify can help you can help you achieve this your dream or this your goal. Let me call it a goal. You want to start doing drop shipping without keeping inventory. Now Shopify is that platform for you. Let's look at the review here. Okay, so we're going to be talking about Shopify, what Shopify is all about. I'm going to tell you guys my own experience with it and how you can get started with yours as well. My name is Francis Abogonye. I mostly do entrepreneurship videos, how to make money online, and I share my journey and my experiences with you guys on this channel. So hit that subscribe button and tick that bell notification icon so you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. Also go to the comment section down below and tell me what you think about this video and say I have subscribed, then I'll welcome you to the channel. And also give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate that as well. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it, and I'll be talking about how you can get started with your own Shopify store, or how you can do Shopify and make money online. First things first, Shopify is a web builder. You have to have that in mind, just like WordPress. That's how Shopify is as well. It's a web builder. You use it to build your website online, or use it to build your shop online, your e-commerce store, and do drop shipping, or you can sell your own product on Shopify. I know you must have heard about Kylie Jenner. I think Kylie Jenner makes a lot of money from e-commerce, selling her product online. Shopify is the platform that gives you the access or the opportunity to do this. And Shopify has about 600,000 active stores online, and also those stores have made about $82 billion in sales. That is awesome. It is huge, man. So imagine having a fraction of that sale. So that's what Shopify is all about. Shopify is also a web builder. You use it to build your own e-commerce store, and you can what's it called? And also you can link your Shopify store to AliExpress, which is where you get product from China, and they ship. You can find a manufacturer in China or the supplier in China to ship product for you to your customers that orders from your Shopify store. Using Obelo, you can link your Shopify store to AliExpress and select product and put it on your Shopify store. If you're in Nigeria, you might want to consider your payment processor. Paystack is one payment processor that is cool in Nigeria. Paystack can charge your customers that are in Nigeria and the ones abroad. But the thing is, once you sign up for a Paystack account and you start your Shopify store, they want you to sell to Nigerians first. They want to monitor your account locally first to see what you're doing with your business. Before they activate your international payments, you must be aware of that. You can't just start selling to people abroad immediately. I think they're going to monitor your account for like 2 weeks or so. You have to sell to Nigerians first so that they can know what you're doing with your business. That means you're not participating in any fraudulent activities or money laundering and all that. That's what they want to be sure of before they activate your international account. Sorry about the noise back there. I think a buddy of mine is hitting something. I don't know what's hitting right there. Paystack is going to monitor your account for like 2 weeks before they activate your international payment. You have to consider that when starting out. One great thing with Shopify again is Shopify has a 14-day trial. You can test it out for free. You don't need to pay any money at all. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can just click the link and sign up for Shopify today and start your own store and start promoting it online. Put products there and promote online. You can use your Instagram account to promote them if you don't have money, or you can connect with some Instagram influencers and maybe tell them about your store, and they should help you promote your store online on their Instagram account, and maybe you can give them a commission, or you can pay them upfront, or you can do some social media ads to promote your store online as well. I'm going to be doing a video on how to get traffic to your web page. I actually did one before, but I'm going to be doing another one in terms of promoting your Shopify store or promoting any of your affiliate offers online at all. So you can actually sign up for Shopify, get your store up and running, sign up for Obelo, and get products from AliExpress and put it on your store. The basic plan is around $29 per month for Shopify. I think that's the basic plan, for Shopify. Then they have the Shopify plan, which is $79, which is kind of like the professional plan. I think a lot of people go for that one, $79 per month. Then the advanced one is $299 per month, which is Shopify Plus is around $2,000 and above. Shopify Lite is around $9 per month. But I think you can start out with the $29 per month. I think $29 per month is actually cool. You can start out with that one. You know. So that's all I have for you guys about Shopify. And you can get started today, guys. All you need is just to take action. Click the link in the description and sign up for your 14 days trial. Check out Shopify. Check out what it's all about. How you can start making money online using e-commerce, selling products. It can be your product if you have your own physical product, or you can do drop shipping, which is selling products directly from your manufacturer. When somebody orders, make an order from your website, you send the person's address and the person's information to your supplier and pay the supplier, while your supplier ships the product to your customer. You don't have to see the product, you don't have to touch the product, nothing of that nature. All you have to do is just to make the sale from your site, from your website, and get the information from the customer and send it to your supplier. Your supplier ships the product to your customer. That's what Shopify does, guys. So all you need to do is to start making money is just to take action. Just click the link and get started. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, guys, hit that subscribe button and tick that notification icon so that I'm notified of any videos that I put out. When I put them out, I'm going to put in our content, much reviews, things I've done before subsequently, so you don't want to miss out on some of them. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and let me know what you're implementing. If you're doing Shopify right now, let me know in the comment section below, and also give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it a lot, and share this video with your friends as well. So until next time, guys, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.